Free Talk presentation.
Dear students, respected father and teachers, myself Anya Mishra, I am a student of class 8A. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic, it seems that history repeats itself every 100 years. Is it just a coincidence? Today, the world is facing a major pandemic. More than 400 cities of the world are affected with the virus originated from the Wuhan city, China. Believe it or not, it happens frequently every century. Every 100 years, there seems to be a major pandemic. Cholera, 1820. Plague, 1720. Spanish flu, 1920. And pandemic corona, 2020. Our thinking is of two types. First is positive thinking and the other one is negative thinking. At this time, most people are taking this corona phase negative. But if we take this phase positive, then we will be able to realize its benefits. And whatever the environment does, we must have to accept it. And if we do so, then we will be able to realize its benefits. For example, this is what our Yamuna looked past year and this is what our Yamuna looked post the lockdown. Guys, if you are thinking that you are free and can't utilize your time, then you are wrong. Did you know one of the greatest discoveries of the world was done during lockdown time? The legend is that Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity when he saw a falling apple while thinking about the forces of nature. So guys, it is wrong to say then that we are free and can't utilize our time. At last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that imagine your dreams and do something to make it real. Stay home, stay safe and achieve your goals. Thank you.
Respected father, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Devanjali Rai. I study in class 1B. I am going to tell about new coronavirus COVID-19. It is very dangerous virus and not curable yet. We have no medicine or vaccine for this virus till date. Symptoms of coronavirus is high fever, cough, sneezing and breathing problems. By taking some precautionary measure, we can save our life. We have to wash our hands after a regular interval with soap for at least 20 seconds and sanitize it. Don't touch mouth, nose and eyes. Avoid going outside. If it is possible, wear mask when we go outside, home and maintain social distancing. साबुन से धोते रहो आते हरदम, जर्म्स भगाने हैं तो, पर 20 सेकंड हाथों में अपने साबुन को रहने दो। दाएं और बाएं, ऊपर और नीचे पूरी तरह हाथ धो, पर 20 सेकंड हाथों में अपने साबुन को रहने दो। सुनो बात हमारी ताकि हो ना बीमारी, कीटाणु से लड़े जो बहाए ना तुम्हारे। अपने मुंह को ढको, आए खांसी अच्छी तो सबको लगेगा ठीक। छूना नहीं अपनी आंखें, मुंह या नाक, क्योंकि वही डालते हैं कीटाणु खतरनाक। हमेशा धोना हाथ, खाने के पहले 20 सेकंड खींचना है नीचे नल के। तुम्हारे दोस्त अभी जाना नहीं स्कूल, क्योंकि सावधानी ही है पहला नियम। Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.